Hello, third grade. Happy Tuesday. So we are going over reading an animal pedigree chart today. So we were introduced to it yesterday where it's just we're following the traits down. Remember, the squares equal male and the circles are females. So now let's go through an example just to talk about it. So here we have a pedigree chart that shows coat patterns in a family of cheetahs. So cheetahs live in the grasslands of Africa and Western Asia. Coat patterns is an inherited trait in cheetahs. Most cheetahs have spotted coats and a few have king coats. Spotted cheetahs have yellow coats with small black dots, and king cheetahs have yellow coats with large black splotches. So now we can see here, and we have this little key table chart to help us. So we see that the filled in square is a spotted male, and the no filled in square, just a blank square, is the king male. And we know the king coat is a yellow coat with large black splotches, and then a spotted coat is yellow coats with small black splotches. And then we see here the filled in circle is a spotted female, and just the regular circle is a king female. So they're showing the different coats. So here we see we have a male that has a spotted coat and a female that has a king coat. So then this line down here shows all their little babies. So we see they have a spotted female. So female is circle and filled in means spotted. And if I get confused, I can look back over here as well. So I have spotted, 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 and then a square. So it's a male, but it's also with spotted fur as well. But then this spotted male meets a king female, we can see, and if they have babies and reproduce, we see now they have a spotted female, spotted male, a king male, and then a spotted male. So we can see down each trait and characteristic that the cheetahs have. So now let's practice with one of our homework assignments today. So just like here, we're showing hair colors in a possible family. So hair color is an inherited trait by humans. So you're born with the hair color that you have. But we also learned last week if you dye it, that could be an acquired trait. So human hair can have many different colors. Two of these colors are brown and blonde. So here we see, just looking at our scale over here, the filled in is a brown male. The blank, just a regular square, is going to be a blonde-haired male. And again, filled in circle, brown-haired female. Just the regular circle, blonde-haired female. So here we have Brad and Emily. So blonde-haired, brown-haired. And if they have 3 kids, they all are filled in. So they're all brown. They all have brown hair. And we can see that from our chart. So now they're asking us to select one family member who has brown hair. Well, I know any of the filled in squares or circles are brown hair. So I could click any of them, and that shows that they have brown hair. So now it's saying select one of Brad's children. So I know here's Brad and Emily, and this line shows that anyone on this line is their child. So I again could pick any one of these 3. So we're going to go with Bella this time. We went with Rachel last time. And now we see, so now it says select Rachel's mother. So we have to find Rachel, and we have to see who is her mother. So that's going to be a circle for a female. So we'd go up the line and go to the circle because that would be the female. All right, and now let's do one more. So now they're saying select a family member who has blonde hair. So we know blonde hair is just the shape that is not filled in. And we can remember this by looking right over here. When the shape is not shaded in, it means they have blonde hair. But there's only one person that has blonde hair that does not have a shade, like their shape is not shaded in, and it would be Brad. And I can tell here, looking back at my key chart, blonde haired male, right here, it matches. So we're just going to take our time making sure that we're reading through each chart and make sure to pay attention to if it's shaded, what that means, if it's not shaded, what that means as well. So we're always going to want to focus over here to know what is shaded or not. All right, so have some fun and take your time reading through our science questions today, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye, third grade.